Hey, what's up, guys? I just thought I'll give y'all a quick update on where I'm at with production with the show. Hope y'all staying safe, still practicing washing your hands and wearing those masks. This pandemic is still out there, still killing people. So be safe, keep your family safe. And we all need each other at this point, okay? This time. We're almost there. Almost there. I promise, we're almost there. With production, videos, audio, all that mixed in, you learn as you go. And we're learning a lot. It's a challenge, but we getting there, right? We getting it done. Ça m bezwen fè jodi an, m bezwen parler nou. Check out my shirt. Réalité. Looks good. Will be available soon. But li pa koute nou an pil kob. All right, don't start crying. But you can support. Anyway, show up Vinny. I'm in the final stages. I'm getting ready to pretty much do the very first show. And hopefully some of you will support it, share it. You know what to do. I don't like begging for likes and sharing, so you already know. What we're gonna be talking about, this is the main subject. What are we going to be talking about? What is ICE gonna be talking about? 2020, I don't need to tell y'all. It's been real. Realer than real. 2020, pote en pile, ça me deka di, en pile force, en pile courage, ba nou, en pile énergie, négative ou positive, selon flow, ok? Selon pathful. Mais nous connaissons 2020 a poko fini. 2020 a poko fini. Li fait, m'baka di le fait commencer, mais li commencer. 2020 pote en pile, ça me deka di énergie, force. It's not done yet. Simple as that. 2020 is not done yet, people. I want y'all to know and want y'all to stay focused, stay woke, because it's just not over yet. But what I want to talk about today is mainly what we're going to be talking about. What is ICE going to be talking about? Simple. Real stuff. All right? Real-ish. Bagay réel. Nou pa nan fake news. It's reality. Okay? Réalité. Your reality, my reality. It depends on where you stand, where you at in life. Réalité pa mnen gen doa, pa réalité pa la, men gen doa affecte ou. One way or the other. This is what we're going to be talking about. Your time. Your time. Who you giving your time to? What you spending your time on or doing? Okay? Let's get smarter. This is the theme. Let's get smarter. That's what we're going to be talking about. Let's get smarter, folks. Let's get smarter. Together, on vini pi intelligent, pi smart. Nan move nap fè, nan hustle nap fè, nan temps. You know? Temps passe avec moun. Temps passe avec moun, avec zanmi ou. Ki moun nou bay temps sa yo? Avec ki yes ou passe temps sa yo? Et puis est-ce que temps sa li vin ran nou bagay positif? Did it help you? Did it help you, you know, make more money? Huh? Did it help you finish that class you started taking? Or college or universities. 2020, let's get smarter. This is the theme. Open that brain up. Let's get smarter, folks, because it's crazy out here. As you know, I don't need to tell y'all, but everything is chaotic right now. We have election coming up. Don't even want to get into that because that's a whole different ball game on its own. But remember to vote. I know. Some of you think it's not important. It's not gonna make a difference. Just vote. Just vote. One time in your life, vote. You'll feel good about it once you do it. It's just one of those things, you thinking home and you thinking it's not me. But I'm telling you, many people have died for this and they try to stop us from doing this very same thing we're talking about, voting. You know how many people died for this? Do you know how many people lost their lives just trying to move the needle forward? Just vote, okay? Once in your life, once again, just vote. Don't think about it. Don't sit there and debate it. Once in your life, 2020 is the year. Make your mark, okay? Say something, do something. Let's elevate together, get smarter. What we're gonna be talking about, again, we talk about your time. How about your credit? Your credit, your finance, your job. That's what we're gonna be talking about. Your emergency fund, your health, investing in yourself. These are some hot topics. That's how we're gonna start it off. Okay, I got much more to come. Real topics. I thought I started off with finance and credit and health and stuff, because without those you're not gonna make it in this life, and you're not gonna make it 2020. You're not gonna make it in 2021. You're not gonna be able to sustain. You're not gonna be able to function. Plain and simple. Let's get smarter. Okay, let's get smarter. We can do it together. We can do it apart. It doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is that we get smarter. Let's plan. Let's organize. Okay. And again, it's my fault. The show's not on yet. I just thought I'd come on board and tell you guys where I'm at. It will be soon, I promise. But again, I just wanted to share with y'all and give y'all an idea what's coming, what we're gonna be talking about. Support it, man. That's all I can ask for. All right. Don't hate. Participate. All right. We got. Okay. You support me. I support you one way or the other. I give you some information. It might be useful. You might, end up using that information or not. Entertain yourself too. I mean, it's gonna be fun. Trust me. It's not gonna be one of those boring shows where you just talking about. No, we add a little something to it, man. A little comedy here and there, a little spice, so to say. So n'a vin sou, okay? Pa fatige ko, ais pa nan manti, ais pa nan fake. Ma pande nou ankor, supporter. Whichever way you can. Sou ka voye l ba an zanmou, Sou ka postel. Non postel an pil lot, basura, fatra. Okay? Non ka postel. Moun ki fel yo, m'a remercier non, d'avance. M'a dit non encore, red branché, m'a vin sou non, tout bagay a finalisé. Everything is ready. I just gotta the last little details, and then we on. And we be on, I don't know for how long, hopefully for a long time, okay? Map tout di nou, merci, red branché once again. Ice out.